In this video, I'll detail how to fix can't install app from unknown source on Samsung Galaxy phone when it says auto blocker is on. To keep your phone safe, you can only install app from authorized sources. So this implies that you can no longer install APK or any other application from unknown sources on your Samsung Galaxy device, and it's going to say app not installed. So if you see app not installed on your Samsung Galaxy phone, this video is going to walk you through. So if I don't know this video, if you found this video useful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to fix app not installed on Samsung Galaxy phone or can't install app from unknown sources, all you just need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on security and privacy. Under security and privacy, you want to scroll down, click on auto blocker, then check whether auto blocker is enabled. If auto blocker is enabled, go ahead and disable this. Then you should see turn off auto blocker, tap turn off. Then go back to the APK app, open it, then tap install or update. Then you should see can't install apps from unknown sources or app not installed fixed on your Samsung Galaxy device. And once you are done installing this application, it's advisable to go back to auto blocker and turn it on. So this will not affect the application from working on your Samsung Galaxy device. So this is how you can easily fix can't install app from unknown sources or app not installed on Samsung. If you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.